Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC Statistics online classes. Today we are going to discuss the topic is consumer price index number or cost of living index number. There are two methods are there to compute consumer price index number or cost of living index number. That is, the first one is aggregative expenditure method, the second method is family budget method. Let us see how to compute aggregative expenditure method. To calculate aggregative expenditure method, the formula is CPI or CLI is equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. Here the base year quantities are taken as weight. Okay, this formula is similar to last year's price index number. And the second method, that is family budget method, here in this method CPI is constructed by using weighted arithmetic mean of price relatives. Okay, here CPI or CLI is constructed by using weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, we know the formula of weighted arithmetic mean of price relative, that is summation WP divided by summation W. Okay, here we know P is price relative, then what is W? Here W being the value of items consumed in the base year. Okay, the value of item consumed in the base year. We know that value of base year is denoted by V0. So W is V0 is multiplication of base year pricing and base year quantity. So W is equal to P0 into Q0. Here price relatives is given along with weight. Sometimes group index numbers are given along with weight. In that case, instead of P, write I. So that formula is CPI or CLI is equal to sum of WI divided by sum of W. Okay, we know that W is weight, I is group index, here P is price relative, W is weight, and what is W? W is the value of base year, that is P0 into Q0. Okay, these two formulas are used to construct family budget method. To construct aggregative expenditure method, the formula is CPI or CLI is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. And to construct family budget method, there are two formulas are there. One formula is CPI or CLI is equal to sum of WP divided by sum of W. Another formula is sum of CPI or CLI is equal to sum of WI divided by sum of W. Here I is group index, P is price relative, W is weight, or W is P0 into Q0. Next, let us see the formula based on aggregative expenditure method, that is compute the cost index number by using aggregative expenditure method. We know the formula of aggregative expenditure method, that is CLI is equal to, because it is cost of living index number, so it is CLI is equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. Okay. Now, based on our formula, we need to generate two more columns, that is P1 Q0 and P0 and Q0. Okay. Now, here given observations are, the first column is item, second column is base year, and the third column is current year. Under base here, there are two more columns are there. One is price and another one is quantity. We know that base here price is denoted by P naught, small letter P, P naught, and base year quantity is denoted by Q naught. Here under current year price is there. We know that current year price is denoted by P1. Current year price is denoted by P1. Now, okay, based on our first column, we need to calculate P1 into Q naught. Here P1 is 18 and Q naught is 30. So, 18 into 30 is 540. Next P1 is 20, then Q naught is 40. So, 20 into 40 is 800. Next P1 is 21, Q naught is 20. So, 21 into 20 is 420. Next P1 value is 24, then Q naught is 10. So, 24 into 10 is 240. Okay, next what to do? Next we need to calculate sum of this observation. The notation is summation P1 Q naught. This is equal to 540 plus 800 plus 420 plus 240. Then total observation is 2000. Okay, next in the next column we need to calculate P naught into Q naught. Here P naught is 16 and Q naught is 30. 16 into 30 is 480. Next P naught is 18, Q naught is 40, then 18 into 40 is 720. Next P naught value is 20 and Q naught value is 20. So, 20 into 20 400. Next P naught is 21, Q naught is 10. So, 21 into 10 is 210. Next we have to calculate sum of this observation. The notation summation P naught Q naught, this is equal to 480 plus 720 plus 400 plus 210. Okay, then calculated answer is 1810. Now I will substitute these values in the formula. Okay, I will write formula here, that is CLI is equal to summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100. CLI is equal to summation P1 Q naught divided by summation P naught Q naught into 100. Okay, I will substitute these values in the formula. This is equal to summation P1 Q naught, the value is 2000 divided by summation P naught Q naught values 1810 into 100. Okay. Now 2000 divided by 1810 into 100, the calculated answer is 110.49. This is the calculated value of cost of living index number by using aggregative expenditure method. Thank you for watching this video.